One of the time-saving advantages of Owens Corning SSL II with ASJ Max Fiberglas FlexCore pipe insulation is its double adhesion closure system, which eliminates the need for staples, glue, or mastic. Simply peel off the backing for the SSL II adhesive strip and overlap it onto the opposite sealing area. No stapling is required, as the double adhesive system fuses with the jacket polymer surface to form a moisture-proof sealed bond. Press firmly to ensure adhesion and smooth out the seal. The initial bond is strong but will continue to strengthen over the next 24 hours, creating a seal that provides reliable protection and performance.